Hi, I'm Tom at MarineMax in Kent Island, Maryland. Here to show you this brand new arrival to our store. It's a 2025 Scout 281 XSS. So that's a bay boat, hybrid type boat, fairly new model from Scout. Wonderful boat. This one is in shark gray. And in the back here we have a 400 horsepower Mercury V10 outboard. Pushes this boat at 56 miles an hour. We just had her out and give it a quick test. I'm standing here on a wonderful casting platform. This boat is built for fishing, but also cruising, of course, and water sports. But in this mode, I got this wonderful casting platform and easy entrance and exit into the boat. You can see it has stairs stepping down in. While I'm up here, I can point out the optional rocket launchers are on the boat. In front of that is a Garmin radar. In front of the Garmin is a new Psionics Nightwave night vision camera as opposed to an infrared camera. So new technology, a little more budget friendly, but it really works great. Stepping down into the boat and still looking back, it's a lot of options here on this on the stern platform. First and foremost, for cruising we've got a beautiful seat. Underneath the seat is going to be bilge access. Behind the seat on either side are fender holders, keeps your fenders nice and secure. So 2 of those for a total of 4. And then port and starboard fish boxes that are finished off in nice light blue gel coat underneath. Moving over to the leaning post, here's your bait well, see-through bait well. You can really get a good look at your bait and its condition. Below that, a really large Yeti cooler. On either side, we have raw and freshwater hoses that come out for wash downs. Of course, cup holders and rod holders galore. Moving up into the helm area, got dual side-by-side seating with bolsters. Really big, nice step here. If you need to sit up higher. At the helm, dual 12-inch Garmin screens. I've got the Psionics night vision that works during the day. Brought up for you. It's got zip wake because it has a dual stepped hull, so it uses zip wake for stability. Edson steering wheel, of course, digital controls for the Mercury, and dual phone chargers. Inside the center console, we've got a self-contained pump-out head and plenty of headroom. A lot of room down there below if you need to get changed or whatnot, and of course your electronic controls are there. Nice big helm area. Moving further forward, I've got a very generous coffin box with a sunbed seating and great storage beneath. Insulated, of course. Put a lot of fish down in there or beverages. Armrest for that, very comfortable. And then we got integrated backrest seating up in the bow, of course, like any center console, storage under either side, and a very large storage area up front. The batteries are up there, and of course the anchor windlass controls and the anchor line itself. And then a very large, comfortable casting platform up front with obviously some bow rod and cup holders. This boat is fully outfitted for fishing, family fun, great boat for the bay. It is a relatively lower freeboard boat, but goes in shallower water. Did not mention that the engine is on a jack plate, meaning the engine can be vertically raised up and you can still plane the boat out. So if you have a shallow water situation at your dock or like fishing shallow waters, this might be a great boat for you. Come on down to Kent Island, MarineMax. See this boat, love to take you for a ride.